In this quick video, I want to show you how to use an oxygen pulse reader that will measure the oxygen saturation in a person's blood. It's fairly simple to use. I got this one for around 10 bucks off of Amazon. It's fairly cheap, but pretty much what I'm about to show you will work with any oxygen reader. Alright, so the only thing you need to do is turn it on. Most meters you just either hold it down or just press it once, and it looks like it's ready to work. The one on the left, the SpO2, will measure the oxygen, and the one on the right will do pulse rate. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to usually put it on the index finger if available. It doesn't matter if it's the left or right hand. And you're just going to hold it there, and the person just needs to stay calm. Alright, so you see her oxygen is 96, and her pulse rate is 73 beats per minute. So both of them are pretty good. So that's pretty much how you read it. And for whatever reason it's not working or whatever, most of these pulse readers will take two AAA batteries. Two AAA batteries is what the majority of them will use. Remember that you want your oxygen to be between 95 and 100 preferably, and that's the oxygen saturation in your body. And if it's less than 90, you should probably seek medical attention or get it addressed. So right now it's 93. Mine is 94. So that's pretty average. My heartbeat is 80 beats per minute. And if you have any questions, make sure you put it in the comment section. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can purchase one of these off of Amazon. Alright, thanks so much for watching.